About a month ago, I visited the MoYu factory. We discussed many ideas about drawing speed cubing, and they were also very nice to show me around the whole place. I guess now is also a good time to announce that I'm sponsored by MoYu now and I'm on their dream team. I look forward to working together with MoYu in the future. Once we went up the elevator and into the showroom, I entered every cuber's dream. There was pretty much every MoYu puzzle, ranging from their infamous 21x21 to my main RS3 and V5, Melon 8, 9, and 10 magnetic cubes, and pretty much any other puzzle you can think of. One day I hope to solve one of these. This is a completely disassembled cube down to the core, spring, and single colored tiles. Or probably better put, a cube that was never assembled. Funnily enough, it didn't sell for very cheap. Its target audience is probably beginner cubers or non-cubers, for them to understand how the cube is put together. At the MoYu Cube Culture Factory in Shantou, Guangzhou, and I'm here with a member of their team.
Hello everyone, I'm Holly. This is in MoYu. Now we will introduce the AI Cube. 大家好，现在大家看到的是我们魔芋文化的一个智能魔方，让我们的一个新手小白快速的去学会复原我们的一个魔方，只需要跟着我们的一个箭头去进行一个复原。那让我们新手30秒学会。引起我们小朋友的一个兴趣爱好。好，最后2步 ，OK。Amazing。对，那我们除了这个里面，我们还有对应的一个就是练习板块，有800加条练习，随时可以想练就练。然后再到我们的一个竞速板块，我们可以在上面随时随地匹配到中国的一个魔友。哇哦，像我们这边是有对应的一个就是复原步骤的一个记录。
Along with real-time reconstructions of your own solves, you can also view the reconstructions of other people's solves. For example, here we have Li Zhaokun's 4.85 second solve. You can also join and make your own teams, kind of like a video game.
除了我们的一个相接魔方，那我们还有对应的一个智能枫叶魔方、智能镜面魔方。那这些我们是全部都已经带了我们对应的一个 APP。对，这个也是，这是对，这个是有亮的，这个也是有 APP 的。然后这是它的一个充电器，然后这个是镜面的，然后这些就是我们的一个世界纪录王一恒的一个同款18周年纪念款。
So currently, what's the highest order cube in the world?
就是世界上最大的一个就是21阶魔方。OK， 哇哦，对，可以看一下，
很漂亮。
对，2709个配件，目前世界上最高阶的一个魔方。
How many years of cubing history does MoYu have?
我们魔芋文化，就是这个工厂，研发到现在已经有18周年了。那这些都是我们为我们魔方行业的一个专业选手打造出来的产品，有40厘米的这种大的一个魔方，我打造了这一款魔方的制造局，它有204个配件，可以让我们新手快速 DIY 的去了解我们的魔方，由自己动手组装出一个新的魔方。
Lastly, when will there be a MoYu clock?
明年我们马上就会有这一款新的产品。魔芋文化让世界爱上中国魔方，耶！给个赞。
After leaving the office building, they then showed us to the factory building where MoYu's machines make millions of cubes each year. It was very loud in there, but watching the cubes being assembled automatically was mesmerizing. Now we'll let you enjoy 2 minutes of MoYu's cube assembly line. Of course, only the most basic Rubik's Cubes can be assembled automatically, and most other puzzles still have to be assembled by hand. I just happened to be there at lunchtime, so most people weren't there, but there were still some workers hard at work assembling cubes, as they're paid by the amount of cubes they assemble. It seems like you need nimble fingers to both solve and assemble Rubik's Cubes. It's always been a dream of mine to visit a Rubik's Cube factory, so thank you so much to the MoYu team for giving me this opportunity. Check out their Weilong V10 AI Smart Cube in the description below.